Welcome back to Tech Tip Tuesday, everyone. This one's short and sweet and a little different. There's a growing body of evidence that there's a significant link between depression and anxiety and the use of social media and screen time in general. So today's tech tip is, if you can, maybe turn your computer off, even if it's just for a few minutes. Put your phone down, go talk to a human, read a book, go for a walk, pet a dog. Especially if your computer is frustrating you, if it's running poorly, if you're having trouble, just turn it off. Just walk away for a few minutes. It'll all still be there when you get back, and you might just feel better. I know it's a little ironic coming from a computer guy, but a healthy relationship with technology is really important. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Peace.